bor pulit ka West Garo Hills District hakakat South Rik Bisau arja pu ar na ki jingyo jingtep bobnia ya ki jingdon ki suba ki runar kilapan long ke jingkhanra hakasnong ni ki kona kabahab apo Fulbury police station nakate ki jingkhanra nalor laingot ki breu ki pulit kriyo ban kurup ka wai ka pistol ka magazine ka wai ka thok thok ka badan ni registration number ML not praji saw at naisan ka wai ka scooty ka ba omdan registration number artli ki mobile phone mar kisim kan kitai ki bala sakam ki kan thop yo Salman Armarang u Elias Alam bat Unur Hussein ki pulit ki la register mo koduma ya kitai ki breu bat ka jingtoket kadang ya sakhman ong ka Kyrwoh khobor na ki pulit.
Shanta Group of Institutions, Bangalore, under the leadership of the most popular public servant Shri Dr. K. Sudhakar, the institutions offers academic opportunities for full-term courses to short and long-term training. Around 500 students from various states are pursuing various courses like nursing, with 100 multiple teaching and non-teaching departments comprising of 500 students pursuing graduation, post-graduation, and doctorate courses. The state-of-the academic facilities of Shanta Group of Institutions provide practical training under the supervision of faculty members. At Shanta Group of Institutions, excellence and academic combined with exquisite facilities like sports and games, gym fitness center, digital library, hostel facilities, and also they provide 100% quality placement and merit scholarship can be provided to meritorious students.